In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert mathematical symbols in Google Forms. To do this, we are going to use a Chrome extension called Equatio, which helps you create math content digitally and then place it into your form. This is useful because Google Forms does not always make it easy to type complex math symbols directly into a question, especially if you need fractions, exponents, square roots, or full equations. Start by opening Google Forms and going to the form you want to edit. You can use a new blank form or an existing one. Once your form is open, click into the area where you want the math to appear. This might be in a question title, a description, or anywhere you can insert content. Next, click on the highlighted area indicated by the extension. Depending on your setup, Equatio may appear as an icon in your Chrome toolbar, or it may appear as a small overlay when you are editing. Click the highlighted option to open the tool, then continue clicking the highlighted prompts as they appear to move forward through the insertion process. These highlighted clicks are simply guiding you through the correct menu so you can add your math as an image inside the form. After you have worked through those highlighted selections, look for the option labeled By URL and click it. This is important because it tells Google Forms that you will be inserting an image using a web link, which is how Equatio provides the math content for your form. Now click into the highlighted input field and type the URL provided for your math image. Take your time here and make sure the link is complete with no missing characters or extra spaces. If the image does not load later, the URL is usually the first thing to double check. Once the URL is in place, click the button that says Insert Image. Google Forms will then pull in that image, and your mathematical symbols will appear in the form exactly as formatted. At this point, you can adjust the surrounding text or spacing in your question so the math is easy to read. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.